What?
Did you get me? Oh, waving at you from outside.
Just a show off. Some crazy weather. I died for that.
What?
I gave $10 to everyone and push it out.
Get stuff. Like you don't tell me to do it.
Honestly.
No.
Give me $10, I'll do it.
No.
Get that ugly face. Mum, it's raining. I want it to lighten.
Oh no, it's not done that yet, is it?
Is this still the hurricane from the other day? Like a swimming pool. Shut up, Mum, you mug. Woo! That's going to overflow. How's it going to overflow? Mum, is this pool going to overflow? Why? It's got a what? An overflow device. Are you an idiot? An overflow pipe. Can't be bitch. No, no. You smell it, give that bitch. Slap it, I'll just switch your music, you straight in chin. Obviously. It's not switch your music, it's switch in my chin. Ah, my hands all wet. It's raining. I know, I saw him in Sporting Lisbon shirt on. He weren't random, man. He was friends with that person who took it. You're taking pictures there. What's happening here? Aww. Not the camera don't break. I'm gonna stay inside. What if his roof caves in?
Go away.
Oh, someone menstrual cycle. Who's that sexy guy? It's only me, isn't it? Eh? It's only me. Eh? Hey up. Oh, what's in here? Oh, it's toilet. No. Smells like shit, Ollie. Closet. Oh, yeah. Bloody hell, I'm dying with these burps. Pool table. Let's have a bash, why don't we? Oh, we got sexy guy through there. It's me again. Oh, hold on a sec. Oh. There we go, it's me again. Oh, wait a sec. Who's this over here? It's me again. Hold on a fucking second. Hold fucking on a second. Fucking me again. Oh, fucking hell. Look at him here. Hey, up. Oh, there we go. Turn off. Director, producer, and something else. I'm the main character. There's my bed covered in shit. Fuck knows what's happening there. That way when we got here. Fuck knows. Fucking balls to Gareth McGee. Yeah, in a bit, lads.